Good afternoon, CMC. Today is January 5, 2020. Nandito ako ngayon sa NS2. So, for today, what we will be discussing is about laryngoscope. How to handle the laryngoscope. First, ito ang handle ng laryngoscope. This is the laryngoscope handle, which is consists of batteries, so we have two batteries. This is the laryngoscope handle head, and these are the blades. So we have different sizes of the blades. So these blades are curved. So different sizes of curved blades. Meron din tayong straight, but we don't usually use it. So ituturo natin yan paano maglagay ng blade at paano magtanggal ng blade. So ito ang blade. So all we have to do is natin pilitin. So when you are handling this like this, put the blade and snap, then go. That is how we check if it is okay. So kita nyo ano ito, nalagay ito, nalagay siya, tapos snap lang siya. So hindi na yan matatanggal. So upon checking, check natin yung light. So maganda ang light. So handling, pag magbigay tayo ng ganito, you have to open it and hand it to the doctor like this. So para pagkuha niya ng left hand niya, pwede na siya mag-intubate. Okay? So pagtanggal naman, all you have to do is fold it and push sa ilalim with your thumb, and voila, it's done. Paano hugasan? Are we going to soak this one and this one? No, we don't have to soak this one. Hugasan lang natin, hindi naman ito pinapasok sa pasyente, so hindi siya madudumihan. Okay. Iwa-wipe out lang natin siya, alcohol, cloth with alcohol, pati dito. After cleaning this one, kailangan ba ibabad? No. You can rinse it with soap and water, you can brush it and dry. No need to babad. Hindi natin kailangan magbabad kasi once na nagbabad tayo, nakakalimutan at sa next shift na mapapunta. So kailangan bago natin endorse, kompleto na tayo sa ating set. So nandito na siya lahat. Okay, the complete set. So we can remove the batteries para hindi maubos. Okay, that's it. Thank you.